tube, it's Sam and Ashley. Sam is going to burp.
Oh! Huh. I'm going.
Like the one you did at our house, or your mom's house. That's not what you did. The one that's like, Samantha! Do one more like that. It's like, rah.
Oh, I can't have my face showing.
Why? Oh yeah. Okay, go. It's a little late.
Whatever.
It's almost 2 minutes. Okay, do that really loud one, but then do a weird thing. It's like, you go. Okay, go. Try that again.
Turn it around and show you laughing.
No, okay, if you do it again, because I'm done. Come on.
Hold on, wait.
Do one of the loud ones, like that. Katie, knock it off, because you're distracting Sam.
That would have been a fucking long one.
Okay. Don't laugh then. Katie, look out. Go. That one didn't make any face movement. Okay. Fine. I didn't laugh, it's you. Okay, last one.
One more.
Okay, do it like that. It like crackles.
You have to show yourself.
Fine.
It would be nearly impossible.
Hold on, I'll do one more.
Expose wizardry. And it appears most likely
Bye.